Alright guys, it is that time yet again. We have another mail call. Now this one I was not expecting at all. This is from Mr. Wayne Parker. He sent an awesome package to Kingnut. If you haven't checked out Kingnut's recent video of this unbox, I'll have it down in the description box. Definitely go swing by and check it out, man, because Wayne hooked him up with some awesome castings. I cannot wait to see what he threw in here. Wayne, thank you so much for sending this. Like I said, I was not expecting anything at all, so we'll be getting to this soon. But these right here, guys, I picked them up at Fry's the other day. Just some new color variations and M2 releases for the collection. Check this out, guys. We have a 1968 Mustang Gt390 in red. You have the silver C stripe wrapping around the side right there, and then check this out, guys. Just a cool, clean, classic fastback right here. Such a beautiful casting. I think it's very similar to the green, which I have right here, but this one in red just looks very clean, very simple to how a Mustang should look. Especially if you see him running around on the streets. And then right here, guys, it's a color variation, just a swap really. So I do have this one in baby blue and white right there. So it's just the opposite colors now. It is white and baby blue, same card art. It is the 7428 SCJ. So the Super Cobra Jet. This thing is freaking nice, man. Definitely could not pass it up. Another wicked cool M2 to have in the collection. But we'll go ahead and set this off to the side. But we're gonna go ahead and see what Wayne threw in here. But yeah, let's go ahead and see what we got. All right, we got a little note. Mustang Hunter, this is just a little thank you for your service and all you do for this hobby. Thanks again, Wayne Parker. If you would, could you pick one of your favorite castings and sign it for me? Absolutely, man. I know you asked the same request for Kingnut, so that is awesome. We both definitely are honored and humbled to do that. I think that is so awesome of you. But yeah, definitely will pick out one of my favorite castings from my collection and I will send it to you signed. That's freaking awesome, so thank you. Let's go ahead and see what we got in here, guys. We have a stack, so we're just gonna pull it out one by one. All right, so first up we have number 201 out of 2000. Ooh, wow, dude, look at that. You have a 65 Mustang. I have never seen this variation before. Check this out, guys. It's a classic rock in a very nice lime green. You have the electric guitar right there with the yellow wings, opening hood. Check out that deco. Now that is nice. Nice yellow interior, yellow tinted glass. And then of course the old saw blade wheels. Look at that. I have never seen this before. That is a really nice variation, guys. Very freaking sweet. Check that out. And it was originally a Kmart buy. Man, that is so freaking sweet, dude. Nice. Thank you so much. Oh man. All right, next up we have BMW. Let's see, what do we got? Oh, no way, man. The BMW M1. Look at that. Now you guys know I got some old blue card BMW M1s in both name variations, the M1 and the Wind Splitter, no, Street Beast. And this one now, look at that, guys. Beautiful maroon metallic with the yellow and white stripes. You have the chrome PR5s. Look at that card art though. That is freaking sweet, man. This color setup reminds me so much of the Getty gas station Ferrari I have, because it's in the same colors. So it just reminded me of that. Check that out. That is so freaking sweet. But this BMW M1, man, these are nice castings right here. So this casting has been out since '82. It's been known as 3 different names: the Wind Splitter, the Street Beast, and the M1. So this is so freaking nice, man. Look at that. Nice. Oh man, 2 in and he's dropped some heat. Next up, yes. Kingnut's not the only one with this.
I'm in your face.
And when I seen him pull that out, I was like, oh my god, that is wicked. Look at that, the bone speeder. God, especially out of the race team. Oh my god, absolutely love this, man. You got the nice blue metallic, the Hot Wheels race team livery, the number 8, and those massive red chrome OH5s. Look at that bad boy right there. God, that is nice, man. This is what they also need to bring back. Everyone loves the Bone Shaker. I think it's a huge fan favorite and a huge success out of the Larry Wood collection amongst all his other beautiful castings that came out. But the Bone Shaker's been really cool. But this, that just looks so freaking sweet, man. The engine sitting out back with those huge stacks. Oh man, yeah, that is nice. Absolutely love that. And are those twin superchargers sitting there? I don't know, it kind of does look like it, but it could be wrong. I don't know, that thing is sick, man. Alright, next up, uh-oh. What is this? Look at that, guys. That is insane. Look at that, Wastelands 5 of 10, the Fright bike. Look at that, man. Oh, this is collector 162 out of 2003. Another Wastelands car. Check that out, guys. That is insane. Look at that. It's got a nice bike stand with it. Crazy metal casting. It's clear body with the black and yellow and orange flame. And then there we go. Bone Shaker. Oh, that's kind of cool. That is freaking sweet looking. That is wild. That is freaking wild, man. Thank you so much, dude. Oh, that is nice. Definitely throwing that with the bike collection. That is freaking insane. All right, next up we have, all right, here we go. We got the Bad Bagger. Look at that. Oh, it's a treasure hunt, dude. Look at that. Oh, man. I don't know if it's a color swing or if it's just mixed with a purple metallic and a blue enamel, but that looks freaking beautiful. Look at that. It almost looks like it's changing colors, but I think that front fairing is purple and the fuel tank and side bags are blue. But god, that looks nice. You have the huge silver TH with the blue pinstriping right there, and then it does say the Bad Bagger on the side saddle. But look at that, guys. Nice, man. Thank you so much. So another really cool rendition of a bike to add to the collection. God, that is wicked, dude. Thank you so much. That is freaking sweet. Oh man, he's got some cars and some protective packs. All right, next up we have, oh man, I see the TH. What is it? Oh my god, look at that, dude. Oh, that is freaking beautiful, man. The Mustang Mach 1, the 70 Mach 1 treasure hunt right there. Look at that beauty. Oh, that is wicked looking, man. It's a super dark blue metallic. The massive TH 10th anniversary logo right there, kind of intertwined with some blue and silver flames. Oh, that is nice, man. Blue tinted glass, black interior, but look at those wheels. Those torque thrust Real Riders are probably one of my favorite wheels out of the Real Rider set. Look at that, man. Oh, that is nice. Freaking A. Collector 127 out of 2005. God, man. Oh, that is freaking clean. Beautiful, man. Last up, we have another. Oh my god. Dude. Not one, but two freaking beautiful treasure hunts. Look at this one. The 67 Mustang in a beautiful pearl white and a pearlescent blue. Oh my god, those flames look wicked. Oh, that is nice. This is number 6 of 12. And again, those really nice real riders on there. Look at that beauty. You have the blue racing stripes with the blue flames, and then on the side, I absolutely love how the white flame kind of starts to mix into the blue. God, that is nice. Of course, you do have the TH right there on the rear fender. That is a freaking nice treasure hunt right there, guys. All right, so that is it. The bag is empty. Wayne, thank you so much for this awesome package, man. Again, I cannot thank you enough. I know Kingnut was ecstatic over the stuff you sent, and I am as well. I've never seen any of these castings. I believe I've seen the Bone Speeder before, but not in this livery. Until you sent the one to Kingnut, I was like, oh my god, I'm a little jealous. But I'm glad you were able to have a duplicate to throw for both of us. So I'm sure he's excited to have one in his, and then the fact that I also have one, I'm sure he's like, whew, glad he's not going to try to get that from me. So thank you so much for sending these. But awesome package, guys. Check this out one more time. Quick recap. You have a beautiful 65 Mustang in a nice lime green enamel with the yellow interior, yellow glass, the saw blades, and that electric guitar deco just looks super cool. And then right here, guys, the BMW M1 in a nice red metallic with the yellow and white stripes. Beautiful casting. Of course, the Bone Speeder is another heavy hitter, being that it's a Hot Wheels race team livery and a bone shaker, so it's the best of all kinds of worlds. The motorcycle right here, the Bad Bagger Treasure Hunt, look at that, guys. That color setup and the chopper, just, man. And then right here, guys, this Wastelanders Fright Bike. Talk about crazy insane. Now, this is when they used to do fantasy cars and actually made them cool with the full metal castings, just going wild with it. It didn't look too childish, just crazy. And then to finish up, guys, these Treasure Hunt Mustangs right here, this Mach 1 is beautiful. The deco, everything about it is just a beautiful setup, man. And then the 67 cannot top a beautiful pearl white and that fastback. That is just freaking wicked. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a huge thumbs up. Comment down below your thoughts of these castings, and of course the Mustangs right here. You cannot top two treasure hunts like that in a package. So until next time, this is the Mustang Hunter. Peace.